One typical weight loss objective is to lose belly fat. Your body's fat serves a variety of purposes, including hormone regulation and energy storage. Being a little overweight is beneficial. The two primary forms of fat found in the abdomen are: the kind of fat that is just below your skin is called subcutaneous fat. High levels of this fat have been associated with diseases like type 2 diabetes and heart disease, according to research. 1. Losing extra visceral fat can therefore have a positive impact on your health. By using a tape measure to measure the area around your waist, you may get an idea of how much abdominal fat you have. Abdominal obesity is defined as measurements that are greater than 40 inches, 102 centimeters, for males and 35 inches, 88 centimeters, for women. 2. It's a common misconception that certain weight loss methods can reduce visceral or belly fat. There is currently no scientifically validated approach to spot reduce fat in specific places through diet or exercise. 3. Your entire body usually experiences weight increase or reduction. However, depending on the individual, certain parts of your body may change first. Your genes most certainly have an impact on your special pattern. Healthy weight loss methods are your best chance if you're trying to lose abdominal fat. Here are 6 scientifically proven methods for losing fat, including belly fat. According to studies, adding sugar specifically harms the health of the metabolic system. 4. Numerous studies have shown that eating too much sugar, primarily because it contains so much fructose, might cause fat to accumulate around your liver and abdomen. 5. Half of sugar is fructose and half is glucose. The liver becomes overloaded with fructose when you consume a lot of added sugar and is compelled to convert it to fat. 6. 7. Some people think that this is the primary mechanism behind sugar's detrimental impacts on health. It raises liver and belly fat, which can result in insulin resistance and a number of metabolic issues. 8. You might want to restrict liquid sugar in particular if you're trying to cut calories. When you consume sugar-sweetened beverages, you end up ingesting more total calories because the brain doesn't seem to register liquid calories in the same manner as solid calories. According to a study, youngsters had a 60% higher chance of becoming obese for every additional daily serving of sugar-sweetened beverages. 11. Think about reducing the amount of sugar in your diet and cutting back on sugar-sweetened beverages. Click on the link in the description to get amazing results.